Hello friends, welcome to another video. Just showing you how to remove a chandelier or light fixture. So most of these are going to be the same. I'm going to have some kind of screws on the sides or whatever. Just make sure your power is disconnected and test it with a voltmeter to make sure everything is all right. So that, take out a screw there. We're going to have another screw. This one's got 4 screws all the way around. One on each corner basically. So we're going to remove one on each side like that. Gonna get that out most of the way. Same thing with this one, get it out most of the way. Don't want it coming out just yet. Oops. That's all right. That one's out. And we're gonna get this other one out while we hold it with our hand here. So sometimes you need a little bit of help. 2 people is definitely easier, but if you're just gonna do it by yourself, just be cautious that you're able to handle it. All right, now that that's loosened, this is going to come down a little bit, and it's probably going to have some wires up there. Now, I recommend, like if you don't have someone to help you, I made this. It's just a wire hanger that I just bent, but it's super handy for things like this. If you need to hold your this while you're trying to undo stuff. So you just hook this right there like that, and that's going to hold everything. And then you just unscrew your wires here. Super easy to do. I could be holding this with my hand while I'm doing this, but like I said, this is a lot easier. Just remove that. Remove our black wire cap. And then we remove our ground. So the ground wire can also be used. Basically, it's usually screwed onto your fixture, and sometimes that can be used to hold your fixture. But I kind of like this little wire hanger trick. Works really well, especially if you don't have one to help you out. So now that that's all released, we can just take this off of our little wire hanger, and we are good to go. Just like that. And that's how you do it. No problem. Easy to undo. We are. Set that off to the side. And then if you want, this fixture can be removed as well. And usually it's just a couple screws that are holding these on. And that'll get you to the outlet box. And then you can cap these off until you're ready for your next installation. So just remove this here. Just like that. And that's all you gotta do. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day.